that is because they have got first-hand experience, which happened in the with the Vidhan Sabha also. That we saw, so I mean, so vividly we saw that how the vote, how the suddenly the votes were added in the normal the increase in the vote in the span of eight earlier time, that is before the Lok Sabha election, and the same amount of votes were increased in the short span between the Lok Sabha and the Vidhan Sabha elections. I mean, how was the sudden increase? And then when questioned, there were no answers to that. There were always the divergence. And Rahul Gandhi ji, I think, and all our party, we stuck to that question, and then we wanted the answers. But there were no answers given. Nothing was given. The people who were added, there were no proper their Aadhaar card, the thing, the addresses that were wrong. The people did not even exist. And the worst part of it, that if they were so transparent, they should have come out and given the data. But it so happened that the data just vanished away in a short span of time. And then that was the rule, that we don't need to preserve the data. This is the way it is. So, and then in Bihar, there is a lot of things which are coming up in the reverse manner. There are a lot of, I mean, the quantity is decreasing. I mean, how that? So, there has to be a transparency, which is certainly not there. So, that's the reason people are asking for the ballot paper votes. People should have that confidence in the this thing, election commission, which is not there.